Hey there. So you want to start a garden, but the thought of all that hard work has you second guessing? Trust me, you're not alone. When I first started, I thought gardening meant hours of digging, watering, and basically living in my backyard. But good news, it doesn't have to be that way. Let's talk about effortless gardening. Imagine a world where your plants almost take care of themselves. Sounds dreamy, right? That dream is actually pretty doable thanks to some clever, user friendly solutions out there. First off, let's talk about self watering systems. These are total game changers, especially for beginners. Instead of dragging out the hose every day, you just fill up a reservoir and the system delivers water to your plants as they need it. No more stressing about forgetting to water or drowning your basil on accident. I use these for my tomatoes, and honestly, they've never looked happier. Now, let's move to raised beds with built-in weed barriers. These designs save your back and your time. Raised beds mean less bending over, and the weed barriers mean you spend more time enjoying your garden and less time battling weeds. Plus, they're super easy to set up. No fancy tools required. And here's a personal favorite, smart timers for irrigation. You set them once, and they take care of watering your garden on a regular schedule. Whether you're away for a weekend or just forgetful like me sometimes, your plants stay hydrated and healthy. It's like having a gardening assistant that never takes a day off. Don't forget about ergonomic tools with comfy grips. These are designed to reduce strain and make digging, planting, and pruning a breeze. If you're worried about sore wrists or tired hands, trust me, these tools are worth every penny. So what's the bottom line? By choosing smart, practical solutions, things like self-watering systems, raised beds, smart timers, and ergonomic tools, gardening turns from a chore into pure joy. You'll spend less time stressing and more time harvesting, relaxing, and actually enjoying your space. Ready to make gardening easy? Try out these simple upgrades and watch your garden and your free time thrive. Happy gardening!